Thank you for joining me today. I'm showing you how to make a very simple napkin ring using African beads and this cupcake silicone mold. What you will need is your cupcake mold, of course, your African beads, whatever colors. I'm using red, and I've already mixed a batch of resin because I'm making quite a bit. If this is your first time, thank you for joining us, and if you are coming back, karibu sana, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out my uploaded videos. If you have any comments after this, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you'd like a set of these, DM me at Juliet Mego Inspires on Instagram and you can get yourself a set. I hope you watch until the end. It will be worthwhile for you because I'll share with you another way to use these napkin holders as cutlery holders, a funky way to spruce up your tablescape during special meals or any day, you know, Valentine's, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Mother's Day, just a special time on your table. So what are we doing? Let me tell you, this is the easiest way. We've already made our resin, and because it's been sitting for a little while, it doesn't have a lot of bubbles. So we're just going to put a layer. And what I know is that because the resin is still light, and as you can see, it doesn't have bubbles. Oh, I think I can see one. Let me just remove. So the bubbles are out. What we're just going to do is just put and because the resin is still light, they will sink. You always need to wear a mask. I think because I was making one, I thought I don't have to, but please always wear a mask. So then we're going to just add a little on top so that whatever is not covered, just in case it doesn't sink, it will be covered. And that's it. And then I'll show you what I'm doing to make it extra special, because you're like, okay, so you've done that, Juliet, what's special about it? Please keep watching so that I show you what I do to it. You see they're sinking? That's what I need them to do. Here are our double-sided beads. I showed you making one, but of course it's just a duplicate. And let's demold them. So satisfying. Nice. The other one. Those are two, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with the two. I never throw out these pizza, the ones that hold the lid, and I'm thankful now that I don't, because I can use it. I can use them for this. So this is what we do. We're going to get some of the clear resin and we're putting it on the edges because that's where it's higher. And you can use a brush and here around the edges. Thank God it's clear. Just going to put it especially on the edges because that's why it's a little higher. And then we're going to put them together. Oops, sorry. Going to put them together like this. And that's what these are for. Put them together like that and wait for it to dry, and then I'll show you how it looks. This is our double African napkin holder. You see these ones, they're a little smaller, but because they are thick, and you can see the layering, and that's why I wanted the red beads to settle down so that when you look through you can see the layer. I'll show you how it looks on the napkin and on its placement setting so that you can see more of this effect. I am hoping you have loved this and how simple it is, and that you love how they look. Please remember to DM me at Juliet Mego Inspires on Instagram if you have any questions or if you'd like to have a set of this. And then please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future video uploads. God bless you. Barakatele. We hope to see you next time.